We're at the top floor of the mill, and it's a pretty common design to convey or elevate all of the raw materials to the top of the mill and then allow gravity to feed them down through the processes. Outside you've got hundreds of tons of products. In here you have what you need for the day. A major piece of equipment that you see a lot in these kinds of factories is the conveyor. Then another key piece of equipment in a feed mill is a slide. So what slides do is they control the route of the product. The conveyor is basically taking an ingredient or further down the process of finished product across various options, various destinations. So what the Frontec control systems do is they actually control the routing. So they decide based on the product where it's going, and they will send the electrical signal that will cause this slide to open. When the slide's open, the conveyor will drag the product through and the product falls through the hole that the slide's created and down into the next step of the process. So the computer control system is really important because it shows in real time where product is moving and what is happening